Hi, and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. A is for Apple. In this series, we will learn how to write cursive, just a few letters a day. In today's video, number 2 of this series, we will practice how to script lowercase letters D, E, and F. So please meet me at my writing desk. All right, let's get right into the warm up. And today's warm up, we're going to call it the figure 8, and you'll see why. Watch me first. And that's how it looks when you just do one. But of course, we're not going to just do one. We're going to take it from the beginning of the line to the end of the line. And what you want to pay attention to here is having an equal top and bottom opening and trying to space each figure 8 the same space apart. So let's continue from here and move to the end of the line. And remember to take your time. And we ended right there. Let's try it again. And this exercise again is just preparing our hands to consistently move from letter to letter. Good. Now we're going to practice the letter D. All right, and we already know how to construct the letters A and C, as both of those letters are rounded, and the base of the D is also rounded. So watch me first. Let's try it again. Go around, up, bring it home. Let's try again. And with the D, if you notice, I leave a little space so that when I come down, it'll fill up that space and won't leave a mess. Take a look. All right, let's try it now. Not a big space, but just enough so that when I come down, it'll fill in that gap. Let's try one more time. Nice. Let's try another row of D's. Around, up, and bring it home. Let's continue. Remember to try to space each letter the same space apart so that we will keep our work as neat as possible. Last one. Great job. Now we're going to formulate the letter E. Now E is again similar to how we formulate C, but with a loop. Watch me first. All right, now let's do a few more together. Let's try 2 more. Nice. Let's try another row of E's. Let's continue. Try not to make the loop on our E's too large or too small. I know sometimes we can widen it too much or not enough. So just pay close attention to that. Like I just did right here, I didn't open it quite as large as I would have liked. Now let's try practicing our F's. So the letter F is, in my opinion, one of the more challenging letters to construct. So watch me first. So this character has an ascending loop and a descending loop. So that means one above the red dotted line and another below the red dotted line. So let's try a few of them now. Good job. Let's try another row of F's. You ready? Begin. Remember to take your time. I love F's because they're kind of fancy. Great. All right, so this is the really fun part now. We get to construct words today. We now know how to formulate 6 letters, A through F. So we have a couple of 3-letter words that we can write together. Our first word is bed. We know how to write B. The E. And the D. Up to the line. Nice. Now let's try it together this time. And bring it home. Nice. Our next word, let's try cab. C, A, and B. And give it our smile. Don't forget that smile. Cab, let's try it one more time. All the way up, connect at the dotted red line, and give it our smile. Perfect. Let's try the word fed. Ready? Let's begin. Our fancy F. E. And our D. With the space so that we can fill in that space. Let's try it again. Nice. Now you see, I didn't leave enough space with my loop. So you see, I just have to keep practicing just like you. Our next word will be dead. And that's a 4-letter word. Let's try dead together. Good. One more time. Great job. You did a great job today, so let's give ourselves a hand. Now, don't forget our 3 P's that we discussed in our foundational video: posture, practice, and patience, and know that any progress is good progress. If you found this content valuable, please consider subscribing, commenting, and giving the old thumbs up. Keep at it, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.